So hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to script recall seal of Anvil, task seal of Anvil. First, download this app called Zerchiver. I don't know if that's what you pronounce it, Zerchiver or the Zerchiver. After you install it, go to YouTube, search Hans the Great, or just search Hans script. After you search, just subscribe to him and turn on notifications. Credits to this guy. So you better subscribe to him. Ignore the voice if you can hear the other voice. So what you need to do is scroll down until you see the MLBB recall this task seal of Anvil.
Nothing beats the adrenaline.
That's the skill. Yep. And then select the intro. Go to comment section and then you can see the main comment. Press read more. After you press read more, just press the script recall task seal of Anvil. The link, as you can see the white dot. After you do that, just download it. After you download it, press details. And if you have fast Wi-Fi and you accidentally press open, it's okay. Just open with the receiver. Press details and then press the button. I mean the script that we downloaded. Press with open with the receiver. After that, long press or hold, copy, and then you see the white dot. Can you see? I'm pointing at the button down here. Press that button. After that, you can see this script. Just long press that script. Just press the name of that script and then press extract here. Play all files. Replace. And then long press copy. And then what you need to do is press the this script recall task, and then you can replay and then pick one up here. If you have the recall, I'm gonna go for classic recall because that is the recommended one. Classic seal of Anvil. After that, you can see the white dot. Press the button again, and then you can see the white dot. Just press these three dots and then multi-select. After that, select all of them except for the document and the two dots. After that, long press copy and then press, you can see the white dot, right? Press this and then press device storage and then Android and then data. Scroll down until you see MLBB. Wait, I forgot to download MLBB. So I'm gonna go just download MLBB. Mobile Legends. We just install that. Hopefully I don't mess this up. So first you gotta load your ML before doing script recall. And guys, if you want also script injector skin, watch my other video about the baby script skin. It's injector. It's not you're not gonna get the script. It's just injector. No one's gonna see it. You're the only one that could see it. After you load dead, let's go back to the retriever. Now scroll down, and if you see the com.mobile legends, just press the com.mobile.legends, and then files, Dragon 2017, and then assets, and then you can see the white button, the white dot. Just press this button, and then apply all files and replace. And there you go, you should have it. Let's see. And here's proof. Of course, I'm gonna show proof. Tutorial, no equipment, good shot, battle spells, blah blah blah. Wait, how do you preparation? Wait, I don't have it downloaded yet. I'm gonna show the proof.
Enter the game and tap the settings button in the upper right corner. Then navigate to the...
Guys, just skip the part when I just skip to the part when I'm all ready, okay? Because it takes a long time to download it. We just need to download this basic feature, and then we can see it. Or we need the ultimate resource. Let's find out. This is gonna be a little fast.
The game now supports direct data transfer between devices for resource packs, as long as two devices are on the transfer.
This is gonna be fast because we have password.
You needn't say a word. Your heart has all.
Wait, why is the song like that? Wait, why is the song like that? That. Where is random?
Now rocking with the legendary stunt.
A butterfly lights one's deepest desire. My son's a heart that's as gentle as a butterfly's kiss, as soothing as a lantern's glow.
And yeah, don't mind. My grandma is talking to someone. And you can hear her talk. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here
What's on my mind?
because
Kill all at once.
maybe when I go hero training, maybe hero.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Oh, you see that guys? That's the hook.
Another one bites the dust. Too slow.
First Blood!
You shall see my sword before you see me.